Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Ghada Radwan from the Opening Academy, and this is video to Muslima. Assalamu alaikum, Muslima. How are you? Great, Alhamdulillah. So, Muslima, as you know, today we recite a page from Surah Yasin. Let me remind you of the rule we talked about before. So, the rule we have today is a nun sakina and a tanween. Okay, so let me share with you first the screen. So you see screen right now. So first thing I need to know what a nun sakina wa tanween means. As you know, we talked about this before, so let me remind you. A nun sakina is nun, doesn't have any haraka, or maybe have like a sukun above it or on it. Okay. So التنوين, as you know, التنوين like فتحتان وكسرتان وضمتان. And التنوين means the sound of, we add sound of noon or n at the end, okay, of a letter has a tanween, but actually, we pronounce it, but it's not written, okay? So this is the tanween. And a nun sakina, nun without any haraka. So as I tell you, we have 4 rules of nun sakina and tanween Muslima. 4 rules of nun sakina and tanween. So إظهار وإدغام وإقلاب وإخفاء. إظهار وإدغام وإقلاب and إخفاء. So we study first one. And the first one is al-إظهار. Okay. And al-إظهار actually make it clear, means make it clear. Great. Make it clear. So we need to know, and as I tell you before, that every rule has what its own letter. Okay, so we need to know what the letters of idhar that when I see it, I know this one is idhar, or I need to make a noon or a tanween clearly. Okay, so I have 6 letters. We call it throat letters because it comes from the throat. Okay, and hamza, ha, عين وحاء وغين وخاء. همزة هاء عين وحاء وغين وخاء. So again, al-idhar means make it clear. And the idhar letters, we call it throat letters because it comes from the throat. And the letters of idhar are hamza وحاء وعين وحاء وغين وخاء. Okay, so this means what I need to know, or what I need to do when I find this. That means if I see a nun sakina or a tanween, it's followed by one of these, okay, by one of these 6 letters, I need to make a tanween or a nun sakina, pronounce it clearly, very clearly, okay, and without ghunna, because I tell you, al ghunna, we make ghunna when I pronounce a letter clearly, okay, like maybe I merge it, or I hide it, or I turn it, or I change it, okay? But in the case of pronounce a letter very clearly, okay? That means I don't need to make one, okay? Okay. So we need to look at these examples to see what we have. First, the letter is al-hamza. And when you see actually this example, first example, you'll find the nun is sakin and nun has sukun, and it followed by hamza. Okay, maybe the same word, or comes in 2 separate words, or maybe a tanween here. Okay, so I need to pronounce a letter nun clearly, or a tanween. So how we pronounce it? I pronounce it وَيَنْأَوْنَ وَيَنْأَوْنَ مِنْ أَلْفِ كُفُوًا. So let me remind you for something I told you before. Why a nun sakina wa tanween have the same rules? Because they have the same sound of nun or n at the end of a word. Okay, so this is the common point between a nun sakina and a tanween, because they have the same sound of nun or n. Okay, look at the second one. Maybe we can try with al-ha. Al-ha, look at this. I have a nun sakina here followed by ha. Okay, so I need to pronounce it clearly. Tanhituna, or maybe it comes in 2 separate words. Min hakimin, or maybe in tanween narun hamiya. Great. Okay, so this is our lesson today, Muslima. See you inshallah tomorrow, and have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum.